hardly in the classroom too much. It's pretty much all hands-on. We try to do a little bit of lecture, talking kind of thing, explain what we'll be doing kind of the day, and pretty much the rest of the day you're in the shop doing work all day. Right now we have the high schools here, which is 1 to 6. They're in the high school in the morning and then they come here. But I would say it's pretty special because they get a lot of hands-on time.
A lot of jobs require welding, so as soon as I get that certification, I can go out, probably get a job within a week, make pretty good money. It actually came up to me if I want to do the welding program, and now that I have switched to online, my grades are better. I got a lot more free time, and now I have something that will actually help me do what I want to do.
I think it'll set me up in a future career because it's a trade that's not going to end anytime soon. You make good money from it. A lot of people don't know how to do it. So if you can find a good union or something to go to, I feel like it'll set you up for success. I think it's good and important because a lot of kids have a bigger opportunity to do something good with their life. It just opens up their map of opportunities that they can do and just gives them more things to think about and do for their careers when they grow up.
This is the first year they started it, so it's kind of nice that they can go to high school in the morning and be here at night kind of thing. I think they're enjoying it a lot, so it's a really good thing for them to have, I think.